Module Maintenance Tutorial. Outdoor products usually require removal of waterproof glue, while indoor products do not. The purpose of removing the waterproof glue is to avoid expansion during heating, so as not to cause short circuits of the lamp beads. Use the wind gun to vertically heat the lamp beads to ensure even heating. Check the lamp beads with tweezers during the heating process for loosening in order to remove them. Remove each lamp bead using the same method. Clean the waterproof glue on the surface to ensure the normal replacement of the lamp bead. Prepare the copper foil paper and trim it to a suitable size. Tin the joints and both sides of the copper foil paper. Adding tin at the bottom helps to better fit, and adding tin at the front is convenient for subsequent sticking of lamp beads. Make sure that the direction of the copper foil paper is consistent with the lamp beads, and both have positive poles. Start with one corner and then fix the rest. After fitting, connect the power supply. If connected correctly, the lamp beads should work properly, otherwise, it may cause a short circuit. Finally, attach all remaining lamp beads to complete the repair.